Sound, and then afterwards we're going to play a little review game if we have enough time. So who can tell me, what is sound? Deshaun, what's sound? It's your eardrum, so we use our eardrum to hear. The sound is the energy that lets you hear, which is the sound. So we could all hear that, couldn't we?
It vibrates to your ear.
That's right, it does vibrate. So just as Alexia said, I hear lots of chairs moving.
Sorry.
Sound is made when things vibrate or move back and forth really fast. It's like I've shown you with the ruler. This is something vibrating.
I can hear it.
Yeah, you can hear it too.
How can I?
So the ruler is moving back and forth very fast, and that's vibrations. So when something vibrates, like when I'm talking and my vocal cords are vibrating, it travels through the air and then it goes into your eardrum, in your ear canal. And we can remember these how, Jayla?
Those are when you throw a rock into the pond, then the ripples are going around and around.
Good. So we can remember the sound vibrations as when you throw a rock into a pond and you've got the vibrations, you've got the ripples that go out. So that's what happens when we hear a sound. Remember we're seeing this. What are the sound waves traveling down? What about what is it called, Deshaun? Anybody want to help him out? Jimmy? Yes, the ear canal. Good. And then what's this thing that's hitting right here? So we're traveling down the ear canal, and then it hits this little piece in our ear. Kaisine, what's that called? Your eardrum. Good. So as we see, sound waves come in our ear canal and hit our eardrum, and then it goes, the signal goes all the way up to your brain and lets you know what you're hearing.
Where's the guitar?
Taylor Caldwell, come up for me. I want you to come and play my xylophone. We're going to see how the pitch is going to get higher.
And higher.
See how the pitch got higher?
Try.
So that's the high pitch sound, and that's our low pitch sound. Alright, I need some volunteers to help me. Jayla, you tell me if this bear is a high pitch sound or a low pitch. Yeah, our bear is up here. Is our bear a high pitch or a low pitch sound?
Low pitch.
Low pitch. Alright, so if you'll drag him over.
I want to try. Thank
Thank you. Alright, Celia, I like how you're sitting quietly. Okay. Alexia. Good, so that's a high pitched noise.
Can I try? I want to do.
Grayson. Silly sound, isn't it? Is that a high pitch or low pitch?
That would be in like
Alright.
with this day. Oh, I'm just saying that.
Drag your camel down. You said low pitch.
No,
It's fine.
right there.
Oh!
It's right there.
Big Sean. To the front. Alright, go. Is that a low or high pitch?
Hi.
Good, low pitch. How my sound waves are going to travel. Okay, so I'm going to speak and you're going to see how they're traveling.
Hola, colorful.
So I say hello, and my sound waves are traveling.
Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 1
the thin strings vibrate faster and make higher sounds, but then the thick strings, they vibrate slower, good, and they make the lower sounds. So I have my guitar here. Hey Sean, I want you to come up and help me out.
That's a big guitar.
It's a big guitar. So I want you to strum on that large string, the thickest string that you see. This one right here. Say it like this. I found it on, they made it a smart.
I've never seen that one.
Alright, so watch the string as it vibrates. That's moving really back and forth. And we can see that, and it makes that lower sound. Now, also on the guitar, you've got the really thin strings. So you're going to have to look very carefully to see this one vibrates. It's only going to vibrate a little bit.